Greetings, sir. Hope you are in good health. I am Rishabh Singhal, roll number 2K19CO317. I have made this project with my partner Rahul Agarwal.
Greetings, sir. Myself Rahul Agrawal, roll number 2K19CO302.
We have created the simulation of digital clock with the aid of Proteus software using 74SC192.
So, what is a digital clock? A digital clock is a type of clock that displays the time digitally as opposed to an analog clock, where the time is indicated by the position of rotating hands. To make the video short and crisp, we are directly going to the working principle of the digital clock.
Sir, for the better understanding, we have divided the working principle into three distinct parts: the second block, the minute block, and the hour block. For a clear explanation, we will explain these blocks through our simulation. Sir, before explaining the working of these blocks, let's start our simulation so that in the end you ensure that our digital clock is working. So these are the blocks that we have designed for the digital clock. This is the second block, this is the minute block, and this is the hour block. Rahul will explain the working of the second block.
So, it is through the second block that the circuit receives its main clock pulse. So, the main clock pulse is given at the bottom of the first IC. After each pulse, a binary combination is generated by the first IC, and this combination is displayed by the 7-segment BCD display on which the number is currently changing. The second block is formed by a divide by 10 circuit followed by a divide by 6 circuit. This circuit will ensure that the second block counts and displays only up to 59 seconds.
In order to count up to 59 seconds, when the first IC reaches the 10 in decimal or 1010 in binary, by default it resets to 0 through the terminal 12. It sends the pulse to the second IC in order to start the counting of it. The process is repeated up to a point when the first IC counts 10 in decimal and the second one, this one, counts 5 in decimal.
After it counts to 59, we need to reset its counting and send a pulse to the minute block as there is only 60 seconds in a minute. So in order to count up to 59, a logic condition must be there so that once the second IC reaches to 6, the second block reset and sends a pulse to the minute block through the terminal 12. We have used the AND gate in order to implement this logic.
So sir, the next block is the minute block. The principle of minute block is somehow similar to the second block, since it also counts and displays up to number 59 only. But the key difference that in minute block is we have used a switch. So this switch we have used for minute block to set the correct time in the minute block by allowing the pulses of 1 hertz frequency. The frequency is coming from this D clock of a clock directly to it. So next block is the R block. Rahul.
So the R block is working in different way from the previous two blocks. So the R block receives the pulse from the minute block by connecting the output terminal of the AND gate to the up clock terminal of the fifth IC. This pulse resets the whole minute block.
Since the circuit is a design of a 24 hours digital clock, there has to be some restrictions to set the both ICs. Both ICs, I mean the sixth U6 and U7. So the R block resets its counting when the sixth U6 reaches 0100, means 4 in decimal, as 24 there are only 24 hours in a day. So and the sixth meaning U7 reaches 2 in decimal, means 0010. In order to satisfy these conditions, we have used the AND gate. The output of the AND gate is connected to terminal 14 of both these ICs, U7, U7 and U6 to reset both of the output 1. Similarly to the minute block, like as we have used switch in minute block also, it also has the switch in hour block. It has the same purpose as one of the minute block is to allow to set the correct time.
So this is the project we have implemented using this circuit.
So sir, this is the presentation we have created.
So
So
for the complete presentation, you can refer to the link present in the description.
thank you sir.
Thank you, sir.